Good morning. Today's Dollar Tree haul is going to be my second checklist video. So if you haven't watched the first one, I'll link it down below. But it's basically where I create a list of things that I want to find at Dollar Tree. I bring my little highlighter and we will just see what we can find and check off the list. And since it's like a little vlog style video and we're going out shopping, let me just show you guys my outfit. It's just casual today because there's a huge like dense fog and it's raining, so I didn't even bother with makeup, but this is today's fit. I'm going for a navy, white, and black color combination. Amazon, Dollar Tree. I forget where I got those. My bum bag is also Amazon. My hat. I've had this hat for a long time. I don't even remember. My Apple Watch, jewelry from Shein, and yeah, I really like it. It's a fun, casual, and above all, it's comfortable. At the first Dollar Tree. Let's get out the list and see how much we can check off. All right, so Valentine's Day tissue paper. We've got some right here. We've got these. So we're gonna get both of these. Kind of wish there was something pink. I don't really see it at this store. I also saw pink gift bags. So let's get a pack of these and a pack of these. Some of them look a little messed up, so we'll do that. Okay, so I can cross off 4 and 5. I also wrote Valentine's Day headband, which are these. So I'm gonna get the pink and the red, and those are for my junk journal, by the way. So we can cross off number 2. Okay. Heart picks? Large? What did I mean? Okay, when I flipped to this side, I think I wrote B, yeah, number 18, B stickers. And I'm referring to these, so I'm gonna get a couple of these. They also have the cute ladybugs, but I'm gonna go bumblebees. All right, so we got number 18. Oh, no, on blue. Okay, I also wrote Valentine's Day makeup brushes with sprinkle, and I found them, and these, look how cute they are with the sprinkles in them. So we can cross off number 7. Oh my gosh, I'm crossing off so much and I'm not complaining. Okay, they seem to have quite a bit going on over here. Now I already hauled all of these. Ooh, I missed one. I already hauled all of these. They were in a previous video, so I'll link this down below. Look at this. Little strawberry rose. Ooh, they have like the whole, oh yeah, I'm definitely getting that. They also have all of this like Valentine's Day stuff that you can do for gift baskets, but I've hauled all of this as well. I hauled that. Oh, you know what? Look how cute that is. The rose infused bath. Look at that. Ooh, I like this print too. We're gonna get all that. I just realized they had a man's version. So cute. Beard serum, facial cleanser, gentle face exfoliator. They have these. Kind of has that like unicorn vibe. Look at that. Alright, also on my list are these large hard picks. I only found the 2, and I think it's, where are they? Right here, number 10. So I don't think I'm gonna find this XOXO decor sign, although I don't even like remember what I was referring to when I wrote that down. Alright, also on my list on this side, number 22 is smiley face stickers, and I can't believe I found them, but these are the ones. So I'm gonna grab 2 of them. So I can go ahead and cross off number 22. Okay. This trip's going pretty good. I thought I was gonna have to go to like $3 trees. I think we'll still have to go to a second one, but okay, a bag of pom-poms. Let's see if we can't find that. Okay, not on my list, but I'm getting these. I'm also looking for these tabs. I should have put it on my list. They are tabs that I use for my book log, and I don't see them. They would be like right here. Oh, but maybe next time. All right, there we go. Bag of pom-poms. These are for my junk journal, so we're gonna get those. And that was number 1. Okay, got number 1 crossed off. Blue teddy bear card, blue rhinestone ribbon, Valentine's Day heart muffin tin can, umbrella card, this XOXO decor sign I don't think I'm gonna find, color buttons, black buttons, jumbo cards, tickets, lunch bags, yellow ribbon, baby shower rocking horse, baby shower teddy bears, yellow rhinestones, and strawberry sticky notes. Which, let's look at yellow rhinestones because I'm right here. I don't see any. They're supposed to kind of look like this. Oh, but these are cute, so I'm gonna grab a bag of these. Actually, let's do 2 packs of those. What is this? Vinyl weeding scrap collector. That's interesting. Yeah, we'll probably find yellow rhinestones at the next store. Ooh, everyone's chatty today. I love it. Oh my gosh, look. The small little version. Look at all of these colors. Alright, I found the jumbo playing cards, but I want the regular ones and they keep them in a different aisle. So I'm gonna look there first and see if I can't find them. If not, I'll grab these. But let's look at the stickers because they're looking pretty cute today. Oh my gosh, what is this? We're definitely bringing these home. Okay, we found the blue teddy bear card. And then, yeah, I remember here's the umbrella card that I was talking about. so we got both of those. All right, so this card right here is, hang on a second. All right, so I wrote umbrella because it's a long story. I didn't really know what the card looks like. I just saw it through editing. So we got number 9 and we got number 3. All right, so here we go. We got number 3, the teddy bear card, and number 9, the umbrella card. Let's go see if we can't hunt down this blue rhinestone ribbon. So we found one. All right, so I'm gonna cross off number 6. So I wanted the baby shower rocking horses and the teddy bears, but I don't see them, but I do have the safety pins. I just don't know if I want these or not. We're gonna go with it. I need to find the jumbo playing cards, and they're usually around here. No jumbo playing cards in this store, but I'm gonna look for them in the next store. Yellow ribbon, lunch bags, tickets. I don't know if they have the tickets here either. Micah did ask for gloves, so I'm gonna get some. So we'll get these 2. Is number 13. I want to find the color ones as well. Welcome to go. Yeah. Dollar Tree number 2. Let's see if we can't finish the list. Okay, so I've got some yellow ribbon on here, and I didn't necessarily mean these. So I don't really know if I should get those or not. I kind of wanted the yellow gingham of this, but I don't think they make them. Okay, I just remembered that when I wrote rhinestones, yellow rhinestones actually meant these. So, let's get like 3 of these. Alright, so color buttons. I decided not to do the ribbon. This store doesn't have baby shower stuff, so I'm not gonna get that. The yellow rhinestones I got, so I can cross off 21. Is crossed. So number 16. These, what are the ones that are like 40? Some of them are like 40 count, but I don't see any. Also notice that some of them have this like darker brown, so it just kind of depends on preference. So I'm gonna get these, and we'll cross off 16. All right, so let's recap. I just finished at the second store. It was one of those more like quiet stores, so I didn't want to like talk too loud, but I also just didn't find very much in this store. It's not one of my personal favorites. So in the end, like the first store, I really got a lot out of it. I need to go to a third store, but I'm gonna create a new list because there's several more things that I want to find at Dollar Tree. There are these like tabs that I also use for my book log, and I need to hunt those down. I'm kind of worried because they're kind of like an older production item, and I'm worried that Dollar Tree is gonna like stop selling them. So that's probably gonna be like my #1 most hunted thing in the next couple weeks. So hopefully I'll find that at the next store. The number 8 Valentine's Day heart muffin tin can. So there were these like, you know, just like the aluminum or whatever. I say tin, but like aluminum. Is that what I was talking about? Valentine's Day heart muffin. Yeah, it's like where you make muffins out of it. And I actually wanted to get one for decor purposes. So I didn't find that. The XOXO decor sign, when I wrote this, I don't even remember like what I was referencing. So I should have like gave myself a little note because I don't know. Color buttons, as you saw, I picked up the black buttons. They also have the same little jar with colored buttons, and they're just a little bit harder to find, probably because they're the ones that fly off the shelf more. The jumbo cards, now I did get a set of playing cards, but they're like the regular size, so it's, I guess I can cross this off, but I'm not going to cross it off just yet because I do want to find the jumbo ones. The tickets, those are also, it's like a hit and miss for me. It really depends on the store, so I need to go to a different one. Yellow ribbon, I'm just going to have to wait again to go to a different store. And then the baby shower items, the rocking horse and the teddy bears, they're like these little picks that you can use, and they're really cute. I don't need them for a baby shower. I just think they're cute and adorable for junk journaling. And then the strawberry sticky notes, I'll probably find again at this other store. I'm not going to go to this store today because it's just kind of a little bit further out, and I gotta get home so that I can take Loki for his morning walk. It's already 10:30 now, but that's actually going to be today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the checklist number 2 video. I really love doing these. It's kind of like fun to see if I'm going to find everything, and honestly I'm pretty pleased because this was a pretty long list. I had like 23 items I needed to find. Now, however, if you kind of saw clips of my cart, there were extra things that I clearly picked up and bought that were not on this list, and you'll see that haul, I believe, what's today's video? Today's video is going to be Wednesday. You're probably going to see it in Friday's video, so come back then so you guys can see all the new stuff that I found, and that's going to be it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.